So hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to cover the brand new update in krunker.io, update 2.0.0, the update we have been all waiting for. So without awaiting any further, let's get into the video. First up, we have some UI changes or user interface changes. The kill death streak counter has been moved towards the right hand corner, and also the kill feed is moved towards the right hand corner. All the in-game messages like players leaving, yes, players leaving has been added to the game. Unboxings and player messages, as in the usual position, which is the bottom left corner. One thing you guys might have noticed is that the in-match leaderboard is gone from our site. To see it, what you do is just press tab, and to see the playlist you go ahead and press alt. If that does not work for you guys, make sure that the keybinds have been bound right. So go to settings and then controls and change your keybinds. So before I continue with the update, I want to get one thing clear, is that the shotgun has not been nerfed yet. Okay, so moving on to the update, added new free spin to the store. So if you now go to the shop, under the spin section, you're gonna see a free spin, and if you click on it, it will take you to a YouTuber's page or a Twitch.tv's page. You need to follow them or subscribe to them, and then you can claim your free spin, which is pretty cool. And this will be in every single update. That's kind of nice. And then we have is added some challenges. So previously we used to have the challenge button, but it wasn't functional, right? So now they have added some challenges. You can complete them to earn free KR. Then they added unlockable dice to the game. I don't really understand what this actually is, so I cannot show you any screenshots or pictures of it. Added ability to sort inventory on market. So when you used to buy something from the market, you used to get that sort menu. The same is there in your own inventory, right? Then added several new community skins. So I'm gonna make a separate video on the community skins one. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. So they added two new settings to the editor's image importer. So this is for the ones those who create maps and all those skins. You know, they added slash roll command to the chat commands. And by the way, before continuing any more, I want to say I'm not going to cover the editor updates, whatever that is, because it's kind of boring for us to just play krunker, not do not make skins. So yeah, they so we have added headshot stats. Now they added challenge level to social leaderboards, added new weapon skins. So again, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of that. Added new unoptable item, added new unlockable items. So these were the new things that were added to krunker. And yeah, now let's continue to fixes and improvements. So now coming to adjustment and fixes, we can now access the menu after each match has ended. So do you remember, like, when the match ended, for 20 seconds we used to wait in the lobby selecting our maps, but now we can hit the escape key and you can change your settings. You can get a free spin, or you can spin, whatever you can do in the menu. Next, client now clears cache every update to fix FPS issues. So it means that you need to now re-add the mod if you have, or if you were using a mod in the previous update. What we have is fixed player LOD level of detail. I don't know what they fixed here. In the level of detail, fixed map list not allowing you to load specific maps, reduce server freezes issues, ping spikes. So now you're going to get less ping spikes. Hopefully I get less ping spikes. I get a lot of ping spikes actually. Separated chat and kill feed, so I told you that. And shotgun now has a consistent spread. Sawn, or not sawn, it's written sawn off, but it's actually sawed off. Now has a consistent spread. I think it's more concentrated. So it says that fixed ad covering buttons slash content. I don't think so it's fixed yet, because if I go to the market and sort it, the search button is kind of covered. So yeah, I don't think so it's fixed. Name tag team only not working in FFA, fixed texture scaling on planes, mobile control fixes. I don't know even I don't know even who plays Krunker in mobile. It sucks. The control sucks. I've actually not tested out the latest Krunker mobile, but whatever. Controller no longer vibrates if it's not active. Fixed kill counter showing when it's disabled. Fixed issue causing you to aim shoot when clicking to exit the menus. Then verification icons now show in game. Unobtainable skins can now be received from spins. Can now see when other players reload. So there's an animation. Slight animation adjustments, social visual changes, level display changes, color based on challenge level. So like the more the challenge you complete, the higher rank you will be in challenges. Though there's no ranking system in challenges, I guess you will increase like more levels in challenges. Okay, and your level your level color will change. Yeah. Then they have can now press enter to search on market because flag position is now updated every 2 seconds in CTF. By the way, there's always a flag in the point where the actual diamond is, like while when the game starts. So yeah, so now you know where the actual point is. And when I was when I just, first started playing this game, I used to get confused. Where should I like report this diamond to? So yeah, it's kind of helpful for the beginners. Next is decreased crossbow reload time. So it's still a bad weapon. Reworked crosshair opacity. Clicking version number now opens in-game changelog. Adjusted CTF spawn, so it's now more balanced. Adjusted arm positioning. Adjusted padding on some UI elements. Adjusted player UI. Removed lag compensation settings. It was kind of bad. So yeah. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I rushed this video a bit because I wanted to get this thing out to you guys. So if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more content like this. Peace!